How to fix YouTube music not loading on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of YouTube music application on your device. As you can see, there's no option of update available over here, which means we have the latest version of YouTube music. So we're gonna go back and then make a long press on the YouTube music application over here on the device and then tap on app info. Now as you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then tap on delete all data if it's possible, and if it's not, you can just clear the cache. Next, tap on app permissions and then make sure that you have toggled on all the required options such as camera, files and media, microphone and nearby devices over here by going to each option and tapping on allow. After doing that for all the options, you can just try to launch the YouTube music again and this might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.